Good morning students, welcome back to Shaiba online class. Listen, in the last class we have studied permutation. What is permutation? Permutation is the order of arrangement and is denoted by NPR and defined as n factorial by n minus r factorial. Today we are going to see combinations. What is combination? Combination is the selection of n things taken or at a time is NCR and which is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. There is a difference between these two is one r factorial in the denominator in NCR. Here NPR is n factorial by n minus r factorial and NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Listen, this is our NPR. So we write NCR equal to NPR divided by r factorial. Okay. Next, in the permutation, the order is the matter and in the combination order does not matter because this is without repetition here. Combination le without repetition irukku. Here repetition is allowed in the permutations. For example, if we take 3 letters, among these 3, you can select 2 letters. The permutation la eppdin parunga, taken 2 at a time among these 3 letters, that is AB. If you write AB means BA also an element in the permutation, that is repetition is allowed. AB na BA varala. Next take BC and CA and BC and CB and AC, இது அப்படியே மாற்றி போடுங்க CA. So there are 6 elements in permutations and suppose in combination, in the combination order doesn't matter. If you write AB, we cannot write BA because AB and BA are same in this combination. So our only 3 elements in combination is AB, BC, CA. Using the formula use பண்ணி நம்ம எப்படி இதை ப்ரூவ் பண்ணுறேன்னு பார்க்கலாம். This is 3 elements, isn't it? Listen, NPR. Here n is 3. Total number of elements வந்து 3. அதில் நம்ம 2 தான் எடுக்கிறோம். So R is 2. n is 3 and R is 2. So NPR is equal to what? NPR is n factorial by n minus r factorial. What is n? 3. 3 factorial by n minus r. 3 minus 2, that is 1 factorial. This is equal to 3 factorial is 6 and 1 factorial is 1. We get 6. So there are 6 elements in the permutation. Similarly, in the combination, NCR formula is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Is it? So substituting n equal to 3 and r equal to 2 into 1 factorial. N minus r is 3 minus 2. We get 1 factorial. This is equal to 6 by 2 factorial becomes 2 and 1 factorial is 1. This is equal to 3. So we are having 3 elements in the combination, isn't it? Understood this? Some properties in this combination are NC0 equal to NCn equal to 1 and NC1 is n and NC2 is n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial and NCx equal to NCy. Then our x plus y equal to n or x equal to y and fifth one is NCR equal to n minus r. n இலிருந்து r minus பண்ணலாம். Next NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 into n plus 1 CR and NCR equal to NPR by r factorial. We are using these formulas in the problems. And NC2, this is the short form. NC2 means, listen, suppose 8C2. 8C2 we can write this as 8 into 7, n into n minus 1. அதாவது descending order எழுதணும், n இலிருந்து start பண்ணணும். Similarly here 8C2 means we can write the descending order from 8 up to we get 2 terms. இங்கே 2 இருந்ததுன்னா 2 terms வரைக்கும் by 2 factorial. That is 8 into 7 by 1 into 2. Similarly 8C3 becomes 8 into 7 into 6 up to 3 terms 1, 2, 3. the denominator 1 into 2 into 3. So this is the short form of NCR. Okay, next we are going to see exercise sum. If NPR is 1680, NCR is 70, find N and R. So what is given? NPR is 1680. This is given. NPR is 1680. Write the formula for NPR, that is n factorial by n minus r factorial. This is equal to 1680. Mark it as equation number 1. And next one is given what? NCR equal to 70. Write the formula for this, n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial, which is equal to 70. This is our equation number 2. Now dividing 1 by 2 we get, the left hand side is n factorial by n minus r factorial divided by n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial equal to 1680 by 70. Okay. Next, that is, first write this n factorial by n minus r factorial into, write its reciprocal, that is r factorial into n minus r factorial by n factorial. Our right hand side is 168 by 7. Listen, n factorial gets cancelled. Similarly, n minus r factorial gets cancelled. We get r factorial equal to, divide by 7 table we get 2 times, 4 times. R factorial is 24. We write 24 as the factorial form. 4 factorial, isn't it? Because 4 factorial is what? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, we get 24. So which implies r equal to 4. So we get the value r equal to 4. Using this in the first equation, we get n. So first equation becomes n factorial by n minus r, r is 4, equal to 1680. So this is big one, bigger than n minus 4. So we rewrite this as in the form of n minus 4 factorial, that is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4. We stop up to this because our denominator is n minus 4 factorial. So by n minus 4 factorial equal to 1680. Now cancelling these two, so we get in the left hand side is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 equal to 1680. Listen, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 all are the descending order and successive numbers also. 1 1 தான் நம்ம மைனஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க and n is the big one. அதுக்கப்புறம் மைனஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கிறதுனால இது கண்டிப்பாக less than n இருக்கும். Next, we write this as product of 4 consecutive numbers. So divide this, first divide by 5, we get 3, 6 and divide by 6, 5 times, 6 times, 7 and 8. Okay, first write big number, that is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 equal to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. Okay, consider n and 8. n equal to 8 in எடுத்துக்கிறோம். Next n minus 1 becomes 8 minus 1 is 7 and n minus 2, 8 minus 2 is 6 and n minus 3, 8 minus 3 is 5. These are satisfied. So our n value is 8. Hence our r is 4 and n is 8. Understood? Next is the second one. Second sum. Verify that 8C4 plus 8C3 equal to 9C4. This is our property 6. That is NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR. Here n is 8 and r is 4. Okay, 8c4 plus nc r minus 1 is 8c4 minus 1 3 and equal to n plus 1 8 plus 1 9 c4. This is our property number 6. So how to prove this? First take left hand side. Our left hand side is 8c4 plus 8c3. 8c4 plus 8c3. First write 8c4. 8c4 we use this formula. Third one, nc2 equal to what? N into n minus 1 by 2 factorial. That is decreasing order up to we get 4 numbers in the numerator. That is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the denominator 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Plus 8c3. Similarly we have to write 8, 7, 6 by 1 into 2 into 3. Now cancelling 3 2s are 6 and 1 time 2 times. So I get 14 into 5 plus 3 2s are 6. Cancelling we get 8 7s are 56. This is equal to 70 plus 56 we get 126. And take RHS. Our RHS is 9C4. That is what? 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 up to 4 terms 9 8 7 6 by 4 factorial. Now cancelling and by 2 we get 9 into 14. 2 7s are 14. We get 126. This is 126. RHS also 126. Therefore our left hand side equal to RHS. Hence we proved. Understood? Listen, third one. How many cards can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? First, what is card? Card is the line joining of 2 points on the circle, isn't it? Just join any 2 points on the circle and it is given there are 21 points on the circle. 21 points irukku. How many cards we can draw? அப்படினு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So this is same as selecting we need 2 points to draw the card, isn't it? So we selecting 2 points from the point 21. Okay, மொத்தம் 21 points இருக்கு. So we selecting 2 points among 21. So this is 21 C2 ways. Understood? This is selecting. Selecting is combination and combination formula is NCR. Here N is 21 and R is 2 points. So total point is what? Total points is 21. Okay, this is our N. And to draw a card, we need how many points? 2 points. Isn't it? So this is same as what? 21C2. That is selecting 2 points from 21 points. That is 21C2 ways. Okay, 21 C2 ways, and therefore the total number of cards becomes 21 C2. So we write this as 21 into 20, isn't it? By 1 into 2, cancelling we get 210 cards we can draw. Understood? Next let us see fifth sum. Out of 7 consonants and 4 vowels, how many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed? Okay. Listen, total number of consonants is 7 and total number of vowels are 4. Okay, among 7 we can take only 3 consonants. Similarly, among 4, we can take 2. So, the number of ways selecting, this is selecting only, so we use combination. Selecting 3 consonants out of 7 is 7C3. Similarly, number of ways selecting 2 vowels from 4 is 4C2. Okay, these two are combinations. Okay. Next, they asked the arrangement கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Arrangement means திரும்ப நம்ம permutationக்கு போகிறோம். Okay. Next, permutationக்கு வரோம். Because arrangement, number of words கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So, permutationக்கு வந்துடுறோம். Each group contains 5 letters. அந்த 5 lettersம் அவங்களுக்குள்ளவே என்ன ஆகுது, ரீஅரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி எத்தனை how many ways இருக்குது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 5p5. Permutation, arrangement means permutation. 5 out of 5 means 5p5 and 5p5 is what? 5 factorial. So, 5 factorial ways இருக்குது. So, total number of words வேணும்னா we can multiply these 3. That is 7c3 into 4c2 into 5 factorial. This is equal to 7 into 6 into 5, 1, 2, 3 and 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 5 factorial. 5 factorial is what? 120. Cancelling and here also 2. So, we get 35 into 6 into 120 which is equal to 25200. So, total number of words is 25,200. Understood? I hope you all understood today's class, and go through your book line by line, because 20% 1 mark taken from the inside book, and also examples are very important in our business maths, and do the examples one time in your class work and send by 5 p.m. Thank you, students.